in this video, we're going to be opening the Minecraft toys from Macca's. And now I'm going to put them into a triangle. This is the kid Happy Meal toy, and these are the grown-up, or they're the big ones. I got 2 bees and they can do this. This one's actually a bit dirty, but this one's new. And now we're going to be opening the Happy Meal toys. I got this Dennis the Wolf, and he can do this, and his tail moves at the same time. And now we're going to be opening this. This is called the Fry helmet, and this is the card, which is gold. This is the duck, or whatever it's called, and there's her wings. And here's the card. It's pink. And this is squishy, and it has red on its top, and it has eyes, and you can squish it as far as you want and it doesn't break. And I want you to find it in the video. And now we're nearly finished. Now we just have to put it in this Happy Meal box. Oh wait, we also need to make a world of Macca's. So the Macca's will go here. I meant the Fry helmet, but it's going to be in Macca's now. Dennis will be her pet just for this, and there'll be 2 bees floating around. And then the cards will go at the back. And both of these will go here, and then this one will go here, and then now that's finished. Now we put it in the box. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. Subscribe. Whee. Sting, sting. We're nearly finished. Okay, now I'm finished. This is what it looks like. And if you found the toy, good, because the tail can also do this. Even though it doesn't in real life, but they're not actually real, I don't think. And bye, and subscribe to my video like the Dennis the Wolf toy said, and look forward to the next videos. Bye.